All right, Keith, pretty nice day today, but things are changing.
And do you feel like people outside the newsroom have heard about this yet? Because I mentioned it to my wife today, and she was like, "You're just messing around, right?" I'm like, no, this...
Well, it's kind of incredible, given the weather that we've had,
Yeah.
to think that we're going to get snow. People are like, no way.
Yeah, and like, I don't think this will be one of the most soul-crushing type late snowstorms that we could have, but it is. We've just been coasting for so long. I understand
true.
that it seems worse. Plus, we forget the years where it doesn't happen, right? Statistically, a lot of times we don't get snow like this in April, but we remember when we do. Highs today, 50s, upper 50s, low 60s, Bangor, Augusta, and Lewiston, and Freiburg, 63, 68 in Berlin, which, by the way, Berlin will be kind of one of the hot spots for snow with this storm system. Beautiful day. We had some stubborn clouds right over Portland and down into Kittery, but we got rid of those, and now the entire state is sunny. So enjoy it. The next 3 hours and 15 minutes or something look great. All right, here it is. Winter storm watches in effect. And of course, they're highlighting the mountains right now, the most likely areas to see accumulating snowfall, but you'll see they're not the only ones who are going to get in on that. I like how this model handles the storm, so we're going to ride it straight through. We'll start with tomorrow morning. And I do want to point out, basically Waterville to Bangor north, tomorrow will be sunny through most of the day. But over western and southwestern Maine, clouds come in the afternoon, a couple of sprinkles possible in the evening on Thursday, and then the storm starts for the vast majority of us as rain if you're not in the higher terrain. That's overnight Thursday into Friday, and it continues that way for a while. But notice this rain snow line starts crushing towards the coastline. It's actually getting colder from aloft, so it's getting cold and working its way down, expanding the snow shield. But it starts snowing along the coastline during the day on Friday. But notice surface temperatures are 35, 36 degrees, and so a lot of that will be largely ineffectual snow along the coast. But farther inland, temperatures will probably be a little bit colder, allowing snow to accumulate off the roadways at least during the day on Friday. Friday night is probably your best chance of seeing snow accumulate on roadways outside of the mountains. In the meantime, it's been snow. It is still snowing in the mountains Friday night in through early Saturday, and then it's out of here Saturday mid-morning or so. So we've got a coating to 2 inches along the coastline. Again, a lot of the snow is not impactful, not effectual. And then 2 to 4 inches for our interior locations. A lot of that is on the grass. Not as much of it is on the roadways. And then the Jackpot Mountains, 8 to 12. I'm a little bullish there, but the setup looks like we should be able to get it. So that's that. Clears out a little bit on Saturday afternoon. A lot nicer on Sunday. 50 to 55 degrees, in the upper 50s to around 60 on Monday and Tuesday, and then a chance of showers on Wednesday. Needless to say, outside of the high terrain here, we will melt anything we get very, very rapidly. It'll be an interesting battle during the day on Friday. It'll definitely be snowing. Can we get it to stick, or it'll be 36 degrees? We'll find out, but either way, we'll see some snow.
Yeah, that'll be interesting. Thanks, Keith.